you know anybody on the planet that doesn't love these Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes? I don't think so. Therefore, there shouldn't be anybody on the planet that doesn't love Little Debbie Christmas tree dip. A party dip made out of Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes. Let's go. Set one aside. In a mixing bowl, you're gonna chop the rest of 2 boxes up and add a block of room temperature cream cheese, 1 container of Cool Whip topping. I use the extra creamy. Add that to your bowl. Then we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now let's get that to the mixer, blend it up, and let's give it a try. Grab yourself some festive holiday sprinkles and sprinkle on the top. Leave room for a little Christmas tree Debbie cake. Let's give it a little try. Sweet baby Jesus, Merry Christmas. You just said goodbye to bland food. Hello to good food. Woo! You need something to take to a party? I got something for you. It's candy bacon burger tots. You won't need no mistletoe to get kissed if you take this to the party. Let's go. I'm gonna make this easy on you. Everything's gonna be done in the oven. Make yourself some mini burger patties, salt, pepper, and my favorite seasoning, spicy Montreal steak seasoning. You're gonna need a tray of tater tot crowns, or in this case, mini potato cakes, and some of Flavor Flex hot honey candy bacon. 425, about 10 to 15 minutes. Throw on some squares of your favorite cheese. Time to assemble. You're gonna get yourself one of these, one of your mini cheeseburgers, Flavor Flex candy bacon. You like pickles? Top it off with 1 more of these bad boys. Doesn't that look incredible? A little dip. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! Nothing says it's holiday time like a big bowl of nuts, which describes my family well in a nutshell. But if you want a really great bowl of nuts on your table, then you came to the right place. Let's make some Mike's Hot Honey Roasted Pecans. Let's go. You want to start with 1 pound of pecans and 1/3 cup of your favorite honey. Mine, of course, is Mike's Hot Honey. Take your honey, put it in the microwave for about 20-30 seconds. Dump it over the pecans. Mix your pecans up until they're all coated with the honey. Spread your pecans on a parchment-lined pan and spread them out to 1 layer in a 350-degree oven. After 6 minutes, give them a stir. Back in the oven for 6 minutes. Sprinkle that over top and let them cool for about 30 minutes. You gotta make these. Let's give them a try. Santa, get that sleigh revved up and get over here. You're gonna love these. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo!
I can hardly wait for school to start again.
You having a Christmas ham? Of course, you guys would make a ham at Christmas, but you probably never had one quite like this. This is a twist on an old classic, flavorless holiday ham. Let's go. You're gonna start with your holiday ham, a jar of apple jelly, 2 lemons, and a box of the original Red Hot cinnamon flavored candy. In a baking dish, we're gonna place our ham. Then we're gonna add in 1 jar of apple jelly. Now you got yourself a holiday mug for some hot chocolate. Now we're gonna slice 2 lemons, and we're gonna add the juice of those 2 lemons right in over top. Now we're gonna add in 1 box of Red Hot cinnamon candies. That's right. Now we're gonna get that into a 350-degree oven and baste it over 5 to 10 minutes. There it is, Flavor's holiday ham. Doesn't that look incredible? Let's give it a try. Family's gonna love this. You gotta try it. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! Jolly old St. Nick has got gluten allergies? Yeah, so to stay off his naughty list and make sure he makes it to my house Christmas Eve, you wanna make these gluten-free hot cocoa cookies. Let's go. I have a package of King Arthur gluten-free ultimate fudge brownie mix. We're gonna add in 1/8 of a cup of Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour, a 1/4 cup of canola oil, 2 eggs. We're gonna mix that to well combine. Take about a scoop like that, about 2 tablespoons or so, on a parchment-lined pan. Now into a 350-degree oven for about 7 or 8 minutes. So after about 7 minutes, we're gonna pull them out, get a big marshmallow. It's been cut in half, sticky side down. Back in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. Get those on a cooling rack to cool down and press down the marshmallow. Melted frosting, and we're gonna drizzle it over the cookie and sprinkle over some festive sprinkles. That is one serious, good, gluten-free cookie. You just said goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! You're looking for something great tasting, yet simple to make. White chocolate and Oreo Trifle in a mixing bowl, or 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Add in 1 box of Godiva white chocolate vanilla bean pudding, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Blend that for about a minute or 2. Now get yourself some Oreo Joy Christmas cookies. Get about 10 of them in your food processor and process it for about 30 seconds. Get a clear cup so you can see through them. You're going to start off with some of your Christmas Oreo cookie crumbs, and then you're going to layer in some of your white chocolate cream. And add another layer of Christmas Oreo cookies, and top that with another layer of your white chocolate cream. Let's add one last layer of the Christmas Oreos. A chunk of white chocolate. Why would you look at those? You just say goodbye to bland food and hello to good food. Woo! Christmas Shorts Day 6.